Imagine a time when people saved every penny, fixed things instead of replacing them, and stretched their money as far as possible. Back then, being frugal wasn't just about saving, it was a way of life. Today, we're surrounded by convenience, but also by debt, waste, and unnecessary spending. The truth is, old-fashioned frugality worked, and it's time to bring it back. In this video, we'll explore 14 timeless frugal habits that can help you save money, live simply, and make the most of what you have. Let's get started. 1. Cook at home. Eating out is expensive, and processed foods can be unhealthy. In the past, people cooked meals from scratch using simple, affordable ingredients. It's time to bring back home-cooked meals to save money and eat healthier. Plan your meals for the week and cook in batches to save time and money. 2. Grow your own food. Even a small backyard or balcony garden can provide fresh vegetables and herbs. Our grandparents relied on home gardens to reduce grocery costs and eat fresh produce. Start with easy-to-grow plants like tomatoes, lettuce, or basil. 3. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk reduces costs per unit and minimizes waste. This was common in the past when families stocked up on essentials like flour, rice, and beans. Store bulk items properly to keep them fresh for longer. 4. Use cash instead of credit. Before credit cards, people paid with cash. This helped them stay within their budget and avoid debt. Try the envelope budgeting method, set aside cash for different expenses to control spending. 5. Mend and repair. Instead of throwing away torn clothes or broken items, people used to fix them. Learning basic sewing or DIY repair skills can save you a lot of money. Keep a small sewing kit at home for quick clothing repairs. If these tips are hitting home so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. 6. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores, garage sales, and hand-me-downs were common in the past. You can find quality clothes, furniture, and appliances for a fraction of the price. Make a list of what you need before shopping secondhand to avoid impulse purchases. 7. Make your own cleaning products. Households used simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda to clean their homes instead of expensive chemical-filled products. Mix vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner that works wonders. 8. Save and reuse. People used to reuse everything: glass jars for storage, old fabric for cleaning rags, and even wrapping paper for future gifts. Before throwing something away, ask yourself if it can be reused in another way. 9. Use a clothesline. Dryers use a lot of energy. Hanging clothes outside or on an indoor drying rack saves electricity and makes your clothes last longer. Sunlight naturally disinfects and freshens clothes while drying. 10. Walk or bike more. Before cars were everywhere, people walked or biked more often. Not only does this save gas money, but it also improves health. If your destination is within walking distance, leave the car at home. 11. Keep things simple. Old-fashioned living was about simplicity, less clutter, fewer distractions, and more meaningful experiences. Instead of chasing the latest trends, focus on what truly adds value to your life. Declutter your home and keep only the things you truly need or love. 12. Avoid disposable products. In the past, people used reusable cloth napkins, handkerchiefs, and glass bottles instead of paper towels and plastic containers. Invest in reusable alternatives like cloth napkins and refillable bottles. 13. Plan no-spend days. Families used to spend weekends enjoying free activities like picnics, board games, or simply spending time together. Plan no-spend days to enjoy simple, budget-friendly fun. Schedule at least one no-spend day per week to reset your budget. 14. Be content with what you have. Frugal living isn't just about saving money, it's about appreciating what you have and making the most of it. Instead of always wanting more, focus on gratitude and resourcefulness. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day to shift your mindset. Bringing back these old-fashioned frugal habits can help you save money, live simply, and enjoy life more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.